G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal that's been split in half to reveal the colour bar on the sides, rules in millimetres, the material's wetted, and the white we're just seeing there is the reflection of the lights. Saw blade's been put in there where it's been prized apart, and inside the cutters. It's where it's naturally broken, and the cutters ground this down a little bit to see what's there. And some pinks around here. Anyway, unfortunately it hasn't gone to a lot better colour. There's a little bit of reds and stuff on the back here. I might like to cut that off and try to make another stone. There isn't any more in this. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.